Soyez les bienvenus! Mabuhay po tayo dyan. Welcome back po with Learn French for Filipinos with Lourdes. Learn French the easy way. Today's verb, voyager, to travel or to explore new places, okay, near or far. And this verb is very simple, useful, and perfect for talking about trips. Okay? Example, nous voyageons en train cet été. Soit nous voyageons en train, we travel by train, we travel by plane, or we travel by bus. Anything that we can travel. Okay, use the travel. So, tara na, let's go. On y va? On va, on va voyager. Non, c'est pas voyager même, hein? Hindi tayo magbo-voyage. Just to conjugate the verb voyager au premier groupe because it belongs to premier groupe na OR. Are you ready? Let's go. Le verbe voyager means to travel or to explore new places, okay? Like for example, from Philippines to France, from France to Canada or anywhere else, okay? So, what is the definition? Definition po, c'est se déplacer d'un lieu à un autre, souvent sur une longue distance pour découvrir ou visiter un pays ou un lieu. What does it mean? So to travel is to move from one place to another, often over a long distance, to discover or visit a place or a lieu. A place or lieu. Lieu is français. Okay. But how we can conjugate the verb voyager? Voyager belongs to premier group. Premier group po because nagtatapos siya sa UR. Pero hindi lahat ng nagtatapos ng UR, they belong to premier group. Okay, example. So, we conjugate that as je voyage. Je voyage. I travel. Tu voyages. To travel. Okay? Next, il is he. Il voyage. He travels. Elle voyage. She travels. On voyage. We travel. Next, we have nous voyageons. Meron siyang no? Kasi magiging, it's not voyagon. We need to put in the middle because pangit po siya kapag sinabi nyo voyagon. No, voyageons. Like yung manger, the verb to eat. Manger, it's not nous mangeons, magiging siya nous mangeons. Okay? So, ganun po siya, no? Donc, nous voyageons. Then, vous voyagez. And then, il voyage, O-N-T. Il is there. And elle voyage, O-N-T. It's not the same with il voyage o elle voyage, ça c'est singulier. Mais quand c'est pluriel, marami na sila, they voyage, they travel, is il voyage. Okay? Okay. Clear po ba yun? Example. Exemple. Nous voyageons en train pour visiter la campagne cet été. Nous voyageons en train pour visiter la campagne cet été. So what's the meaning of that? We are traveling by train to visit the countryside this summer. Okay, so nagbibisita po sila here in France. You can go from north to south, east, west only by train. Not like in Philippines, we need to travel by plane or by ship or boat. Here in France, you can travel by train, by car, by plane, or by bus. It can be. Mura lang sa bus. Okay? So, that is the verb voyager. Et vous? Bon voyage! Pag sinabi niyo pong bon voyage, Have a nice trip. I hope it's clear. So, je voyage, tu voyages, il voyage, elle voyage, on voyage, nous voyageons, vous voyagez, au Z, il voyage, au NT, et elle voyage, au NT. Para malaman na yon ay plural na they. Is it clear? Merci. The verb voyager, c'est un verbe de quotidien. Verb quotidien means it's a verb that we use in our everyday life. Okay? So, we can use bon voyage. Okay, ingat. Bon voyage po kayo dyan. And, merci beaucoup po écouter. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. And, thank you very much. And, please don't forget to like, subscribe, at i-comment po for more videos. Simple, walang bayad, at libre and available anytime. Thank you very much. Au revoir.